Today we are going to make square root spiral. To make a square root spiral, first of all we make a number line in which at equal distances we mark points 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here I have chosen 1 inch as a unit. You can choose 1 centimeter as a unit, or you can choose 2 centimeter as a unit, whatever suits you best as per your page size. You can choose any unit. So I have taken 1 inch as 1 unit. Now the Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse is equal to square root of perpendicular square plus base square. If I take the perpendicular as 1 unit and the base also as 1 unit, that is, if I prepare a right angle triangle in which both the base and the perpendicular are 1 unit, then it gives me 1 plus 1, that is root of 2. The hypotenuse of that right angle triangle will be root 2. So what I need to do is, I want to make a right angle triangle whose base is 1 unit and also the perpendicular is 1 unit. So here I need to make a perpendicular line at the point P. So I make a perpendicular here at 90 degree. I put a mark. Now I need the length of perpendicular as 1 unit. So here I extend this perpendicular to 1 unit only, up to 1 unit. So this is the base, OP is the base, and suppose this point is P1. So P1, PP1 is the perpendicular. Since it is a right angle triangle, so this hypotenuse must be equal to root 2. So this is root of 2. Now what we need to do is, now taking this OP1 as base, we are to again OP1 as base root 2 square plus 1 square. The square root of this is nothing but root 3. See, 2 plus 1, root of 3. So what I need to do is, I'll construct a right angle triangle with base as root 2 units. Base as root 2 units. So this OP1 is the base with dimension root 2 and a perpendicular with 1 unit length. So now again perpendicular, but I'll extend this perpendicular to 1 unit only, up to 1 unit only, 1 unit. So this point is suppose P2. So OP2 is obviously root 3. Similarly, by extending this, I again make a right angle triangle with base root 3. Base is now root 3. Root 3 square plus 1 square. This will give me root of 4. So what I need to do is, again make a right angle triangle taking root 3 as base. Now extending this to 1 centimeter only. So I'll extend to 1 inch only. Actually 1 inch is the 1 unit, and when I join this OP3, this lengths come out to be root 4. So all these angles are 90 degree. Again, to find root 5, what I need to do, again make a right angle triangle taking root 4 as base. So root 4 square plus 1 square. The square root of this quantity is nothing but root 5. So again we'll Make a right angle triangle with base as root 4 and perpendicular as 1 unit. So what I'll do, I'll extend this to 1 unit, that is 1 inch I have taken as 1 unit. So 1 inch from here to here, 1 inch only. This point is P4. Now this distance OP4, this hypotenuse in this right angle triangle, will be root 5. Again for root 6, what I will do, I'll construct a right angle triangle taking OP4 as base. I'll make a 90-degree angle and I'll take the perpendicular to be 1 unit, that is 1 inch here. Right. So this point is P5. Now OP5 will obviously be root of 6. Similarly for root 7, I'll take this root 6 as base and simply make a perpendicular here. And I'll extend this to 1 unit. I have taken 1 unit as 1 inch, so I'll extend it to 1 inch only, from here to here, 1 inch. Alright, now this OP6 will represent root 7, and similarly the spiral can be extended to root 8, root 9, root 10 and so on. Thank you.